Hello, my dear learners. It's finally here. I'm so excited to share that my ebook, Fearless English How to Conquer Mistakes and Speak with Confidence, is now officially on my website. You see? So, if you've ever been afraid to speak English, even when you wanted to, this is your sign. Yes, this is the sign you've been waiting for. And I say that with full heart because I've lived that fear too. Believe me. As someone whose first language is Filipino, I used to doubt my words, hesitate to speak, and shrink back in conversations, especially when I had to speak in front of others. But through the years, I learned that it wasn't just about grammar or vocabulary. It was about building confidence and training my mindset to stop fearing mistakes. And now I've poured everything that worked for me, every tip, every mindset shift, every method that helped me become the speaker and teacher I am today. You know what? Fearless English is more than just a language guide, it is a step by step system designed to help you first understand the real root of your fear. Second, embrace mistakes without shame. Third, practice speaking in real, safe ways. Fourth, shift from translating to thinking in English. And fifth, finally speaking with calm, natural confidence. So, whether you're a student, a teacher like me, or someone simply ready to be heard, this fearless English will help you take the next step and the next one until speaking no longer feels scary. It is a 120-page ebook. You can grab your copy now for only 489 pesos or around 8.63 US dollars. But here's something to keep in mind. Once we reach over 100 copies sold, the price might go up. So if you've been waiting for the right time to invest in your English, this is it. Don't wait, don't hold back. Your future self will thank you for choosing to speak up today. So go and visit my website, www.learnenglishwithteacheraubrey.com. I'll drop the link in the comments below. This is the second ebook. If you don't have that PayPal for payments, you can click more payments and choose payments by send it if you'd like to pay through GCash, bank transfer, or any card payments. Go get your copy and begin your journey toward fearless, fluent English. Your voice matters, and now is the time to use it. Thank you. Bye.